I am so ready for fall. The Gilmore, it's this beautiful apple crisp pie.
Rainy days.
I'm Lauren and welcome to my channel. So as you already know, this video is all about fall. We're doing all things fall, and I kind of made a bucket list in my head of all the things I wanted to do for this fall season, and I kind of jammed it, a lot of it, into 2 days. So I wanted to take you guys along for the ride and give you some inspo to how maybe you want to celebrate your fall season and spend your time during this season. And my favorite season. I live in upstate New York, so we get all the seasons here. The leaves are gorgeous already. It's already feeling like winter, so I wanted to take advantage of the time now when it is still fall. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I think you really will. I really enjoyed making it and editing it. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Okay, please don't mind the current state I'm in, but I just woke up and I'm cleaning my room. Before I put everything away, I wanted to show you guys what I got yesterday. I went shopping for kind of like fall basics, so I'm so excited about these. I got some New Balance sneakers, and these are the ones I got. I think they're so cute. I feel like they're not too chunky, like they're really not chunky at all, but like the tops kind of are a little bit thicker. I thought this coloring was so pretty. It's just like beige, silver, and they're so cute. I'm so excited to wear these. I think I'm gonna wear them today, but they're mostly like for the gym, but also like casual, cute outfits. I got these from Aerie. I tried them on in a different color, so I hope I still like them in the black, because I was like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to, like, what would I wear with this? It originally was an olive green, but they're these like, they're not yoga pant type, they're like just like wide, but they're kind of tight about like the waist and the butt area, and I thought they were really cute, especially for like the gym, especially with my New Balance shoes, and maybe a headband. Lastly, I got this from Aerie too. It's just this like long sleeve, and I thought the fit was just really nice, and it has like this long like sleeve thing here. It's like the waffle texture, so I don't know, I feel like just that would be such a cute outfit. Maybe even with the red headband, or the gray maybe, with black, I don't know, we'll see. And then I got a bunch of new socks because they have like the New Balance thing. I didn't realize, but it's fine. They just look like this. So yeah, I'm happy with what I got. I'm gonna put this up. Oh, I also, this was gifted to me, but this is so cute, adding this to the fall collection. I feel like it's very Rory Gilmore. It's this beautiful brown color. I really like it. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys later. I think we're gonna go to a cute coffee shop to get some work done. If you hear Charlie like in the background, I'm sorry. Charlie. It was really cold last night, so I feel like I woke up with a little like sicky feeling, but I'm drinking tea and I'm gonna make some breakfast. Maybe I'll make it fallish. Except I need to buy like pumpkin. Okay, I gotta finish cleaning my room. Bye guys. Okay, I just got dressed. I'm wearing a very like fall coated outfit, so I want to show you guys. I just have this long sleeve on with a little headband. Headband, I think worked because it low-key makes my ears like tuck in. And then I just have my curly hair, which I feel is very full. And the long sleeve, which I love, my new pants, and then for shoes, I'm either gonna wear my Uggs or I kind of want to make this outfit more sporty. Or my New Balances. That's kind of cute. But then should I change the headband to the white one to match? We'll see, we'll see. I'm gonna go with the Uggs. I just feel like that's the best. And then I have my Coach bag. It's the pretty maroon, so it's very like fall. But, all right, I'll see you guys at the coffee shop / bookstore. Okay, so we just got home from apple picking, so we are going to make our apple crisp pie. Apple picking was so fun. I kind of want to show my, oh, I don't even have my outfit on anymore, but whatever, this is most of it. I just have a little headband on and this sweater. I got it from PacSun the other day, so by the time the video was out, it should still be out. But then I wore like darker wash jeans and then canvas shoes. So let's make pie. Well, it's an apple crisp, it's not really pie. We also got apple cider donuts. I told you we got them. They're really, here, you can have a taste test. Good? Doesn't say anything about. Yeah, 1/3 cup. Okay, we got the sugar, cinnamon on the apple. We're just making, what are you making?
Topping.
Topping? Oh yeah, the crumbs. That's like the most important part. Phoebe. Hi, Phoebe.
You got like mixing spoons somewhere?
And we have Gilmore Girls on the TV. It's a habit. We have some of our excess fruit from the peeling of the apples and the slicing of the apples. So I'm gonna go get the chickens. Come here, girls! Where is everyone? Girls! Oh, here they come. Here they come. Girls! at his hair.
God! Let me see. Ah! It kind of looks good though.
Ready? Oh, good girl.
I actually like mine. Do you know what it's supposed to be? It kind of looks like a.
Okay, so we're gonna have a little fall night. It's not overwhelmingly like pumpkin, but we got cookie dough mix, which I don't think I've ever not baked something not from scratch. And then we got popcorn, and then Cheerios for dinner. Whoops, that's it. Also, I just got us me and Georgie's matching pajamas. George. Let me see you matching. George! Can you put them on? Promise?
Sign it to your Amazon Prime.
You want some popcorn? Want some popcorn? No. Eat it, you weirdo. Would you catch it? Ready? Good girl. Good girl. Cereal with cinnamon. Very good. Got them at Old Navy, except last time I got pajama pants at Old Navy, they were like $8. These were $25 each. I was like, are you kidding? And it said 30% off in the store, but it's only 30% off if you had like their credit card. Not even if you were like in the system. Like I had my emails. My email got me $1 off. I was like, I'm supposed to, but they're baking. Wow, they still have a lot of time.
Let's
Thank
go.
you. I'm waiting for the cookies, bro. They're like,
I was getting really warm.
I'm sorry. They're like nice and golden brown, but they're really soft. Do you think that looks okay on the inside?
Yeah,
I
that's
think-
probably how they're supposed
I think they just need to cool down. Mm-hmm. You want some milk? Mug.
to. Something.
Mug. Nuh-uh, I won't do it. I don't trust you.
Let me.
Oh,
I'm gonna bounce you away.
I'm balancing me.